Façade Silikon is a silicone-based finishing facade, ideal for buildings that require long-term protection and premium aesthetics. It is certified as part of the COLORIT Thermal Insulation Systems, compliant with European ethics standards, and backed by a quality guarantee confirmed by the Quality Austria seal. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary tools. The first step in applying Façade Silikon is surface preparation. Dispersive impregnation. Unigrund is the best choice as a base coat before applying Façade Silikon. Optimal results and improved coverage, we recommend tinting the primer to match the facade shade. Apply with a roller or brush on a clean, dry surface. Why is dispersive impregnation Unigrund an essential step? Evens out and strengthens the surface, creates strong adhesion between old and new material, reduces consumption of finishing materials, and extends the open working time. Once the primer has dried, proceed with applying Façade Silikon. Before using, mix the material thoroughly using an electric mixer. For the first step, use a stainless steel trowel to apply the material in the thickness of the grain. Thanks to its flexible structure, Façade Silikon does not crack, adheres excellently to various substrates, and is resistant to UV rays, moisture, and extreme weather. After approximately 10 minutes, depending on air temperature, proceed to rub in the facade using a plastic trowel in circular motions until achieving a uniform structure. Façade Silikon is available in over 1,000 shades via the COLORIT mix system. Its high vapor permeability allows walls to breathe without trapping moisture inside the structure. One of the key factors for facade durability is hydrophobicity, and here, Façade Silikon stands unrivaled.